Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I didn't plan on doing this video, but I'm doing it for a friend who's renting an apartment here in El Retiro. It's a 2-bedroom apartment at a really good price, $575 US a month, on a 1-year lease. 6 months would be the minimum with 3 months up front. Again, an expat friendly rent. And it's going to be hard to find a price of $575 in El Retiro, so let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So it even has its own little patio. Again, you can see the number there. If you guys want, you can call that number direct. It's my friend. So, but if you do, please, 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 just do me a favor and tell her that you saw it from the video. So that number is only going to work if you're living here in Retiro or in Medellin, but yeah, the number is right there. So, but I will put all the details in the end screen as always. Again, this is for rent. It's a 2-bedroom. You're not going to find something this cheap in Retiro that is literally, we're going to do the walk as soon as I finish this video, probably about a 3 to 4 minute walk to the main square. So really, really good location. Okay, again, at this price point, very hard to find. I get calls all the time, people looking for something in Retiro. And again, now you're looking here in the Pueblo. The normal price on a newer place is around $750 for a 2-bedroom. That's the low end. On the high end, you're looking at $1,000, maybe $900. So yeah, just wanted to bring you guys up to speed. I mentioned this in a video a little while ago, that this place would be coming up. The lady that was here just moved out, so they're going to come in this week and freshen it up, do a fresh coat of paint. It actually looks pretty good, so I don't think there's a lot of issues in it, to be honest. It looks good to me. Again, simple 2-bedroom, but again, at the price point of $575 US, and she would like a year's lease if possible. The minimum is 6 months with 3 months rent up front. Again, she's a very honorable, good person. You're not going to have a problem. I've known her for quite a few years, and so yeah, again, I'll explain a bit in this video that if you're coming here to Colombia, to rent an apartment is very difficult because you have to have a credit rating. You have to be approved by a company like Sura. And again, if you don't have a credit rating here, you're going to have to get a co-signer, and not easy if you don't have friends here. But you got a friend in me, so I can put you in touch with the owner of the apartment, and she would love to rent to an expat. Again, we'll take another look here real quick. Again, not huge, but again, you're paying $575 for a 2-bedroom. I think this one was just finished last year, so it's a newer building. Okay. Again, one last look at this is the social. Well, actually, this is the bathroom for everyone. You have 1 bathroom here. Okay, and I guess this would be considered the principal bedroom. But the key to this unit here is its proximity to the Pueblo. So I'm going to show you guys how close it is. We're going to go to the front of the building from the road, the entrance, and we're going to walk to the Pueblo. And bonus, the Colombian football match is going on right now. They're playing Switzerland. So again, if you guys are interested, I would act fast on this one because these rent out really quickly. So let's go walk to the Pueblo. All right, we're on our way to the Pueblo. It's a building here. If you guys know Retiro, we're actually just in front of the other building. This is one that I used to live in, right here. You can hear the bell ringing. Maybe Colombia has scored a goal. Let's go see. So we are only, I would say, two city blocks from the main square. So we're super, super close. In a few minutes, I'm gonna have to yell because the game is going on right now, but I wanted to get this video out today. Super important because I know this place at that price is gonna rent, especially with his proximity. I'm gonna show you guys the main square and the grocery store I'll point out, and some really good restaurants and bars. Again, you'll get the ambient. We are, yeah, I would say about 2.5 minutes from the main square. We're gonna walk down past the grocery store. Again, there's actually a little grocery store right there, okay? But then the main grocery store is just off this way. We're now one block from the main square. This is how close we are, the things I could do for you guys. But I really wanted to let you guys know this is a good deal. You can see right there, brand new building going in. This town is growing like a weed. So, and the prices are going up all the time. So at $575, that's a good price for a 2-bedroom. Again, right here, you can see how they've redone some of the streets with stamped concrete. You can hear the noise up front here. So we're almost there. Right there, you've got the drink house. Get your drink on. It's only going to get louder. So right across the road there, you've got the main grocery store, Caribe. Okay. Bank machine right here. And here we go. A sea of yellow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can check out how long we are into this walk here. We are, I think, only 3 or 4 minutes in. That's how close we are. But everyone taking in the game. One of my favorite restaurants, it's actually right there, Donde Clave. At that restaurant and all the ones along here are Colombian prices, okay? But I'm going to take you, okay? There's some really good dining options here in the city now, okay? And right along this street here, okay, you've got one of the oldest restaurants that I remember here, Lomo Fino Parrilla. Okay, it's a really good steakhouse right here. And then again, right over here, you have Chabuca, okay, which is Peruvian. Okay, really, really good food here. Just take a quick look inside. Well, looks like you could easily watch the game in here with no problems. Okay. Might have to go back there. And then, yeah, if you're in Colombia, best time to rob a bank, again, I jest when I say this, is during a football game, because the world shuts down in Colombia for football. So, and it looks like it's closed today, but Osteria is a really good restaurant also. Okay, and again, you can see over here all the construction that's going on. Right there, that's a new parking garage straight ahead. So, yeah, let's get back here, and I'm going to show you one more restaurant of note that I really love. Okay, it's going to be loud going through here, but we're going to do it. We're going to brave it. Again, I wanted to get this video out today. I've been releasing videos normally on the weekend, but when my friend called me, I had to get down here. I'm going to watch the game right after this. But I just wanted to show you how close that rental apartment is to the main square. And again, this is kind of the ambient we get on the weekends here in the Pueblo. So this is City Hall right here. Again, I've shown it in other videos. Right to the left here. Okay. And look at the people. Sea of people. Take a look in here.
Suizo, el hombre de la Bundesliga, otra vez el Medellín, cerca está por allí el jugador Suárez, y el Suárez el que va a tratar de presionar. James también se va recostando allá.
I don't think it's a score yet. Everyone says the Pueblos are sleepy. This is not a sleepy Pueblo. Again, it's a beautiful Pueblo, and there's always something going on here. Never boring here in Retiro. So right here, you've got a drugstore here, and then you've got one right here too. So you got everything. 2 blocks from the main square if you end up renting that apartment. And we are only, I think, not even 10 minutes into this video. And I'm going to end it off right here in front of my favorite restaurant. It's a little spendy, but we literally have a French restaurant here in Retiro, which is Intercate, okay? And if you've been here, you know the food here is really good and the wine is great. Okay, so there's the menu right there. So I'm going to close things off here today. We'll just take a look inside real quick. A little empty. Everyone's watching the game. All right, I'm going to close things off here today. If you need any more info, I'll put it at the end screen. As always, this is Ian from ExpatCrib. And we'll see you in the next one.